Hey everyone, welcome back. I have got a cocktail that is sweeping the nation. This is going to be the Aperol Spritz. So this is definitely one that's going to be very refreshing. It's very bright. It's got a little bit of bitterness to it. In my opinion, it brings a lot of awesome things all into one. So this is going to be a build-in glass type of cocktail. So all you're going to need is your jigger. You are going to need Aperol, a Prosecco or a dry champagne of your choosing. And you're going to need some club soda, you're going to need some ice, and then in my opinion, I like to have some orange slices as well. Don't forget, all of the ingredients are going to be listed down below so that way you can build the cocktail with me. All right, so to start off here, we are going to do 2 full ounces of Aperol. Oh, I actually got it in there. How exciting. And then in my opinion, no one should ever tell you how to measure champagne, that you should measure that with your heart, but today we're going to measure it. So you're going to want 3 ounces of champagne. Flip her over. I'm winning at life tonight. All right. So here is where I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pause and I'm going to put ice into my wine glass. My husband got mad at me because I called it a champagne glass. All right. So before I put that club soda in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some not cut perfectly, because I'm not amazing and perfect and whatever, some orange slices. I'm going to put those both on the sides, which is what I'm going to be using as my quote unquote garnish. All right, got those kind of stuck in there. I mean, who doesn't like fingers in their Aperol, right? And then last but not least, again, you could just top it with the soda, club soda, but I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to measure out 1 full ounce of club soda. All right. And then just to make sure that all of our ingredients are in fact incorporated in here, I'm just going to kind of mix this up with my spoon here. Spritzing it around. Of course, you could go a little bit bigger with the garnishes if you want to do that, but I'm going to make it a little bit more simple and go a little more classic for this one. But there she is, your Aperol Spritz. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy the cocktails, all that I'm making here, it came out kind of funny. You enjoy the cocktails that I'm making here, let's go with that one. Please make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Let me know if you're making the cocktails because I really hope that you're building them along with me. I can't wait until I see you guys for the next pour. Cheers.